Here's a quick review of the Dreo 1500 watt indoor space heater. Here's how it comes packaged. The sleek remote comes with a battery. Just pull the red tab to engage the battery. You know you like watching this part in slow motion. The removable filter is washable. This is the timer button, power button, oscillation button, temp or speed down, temp or speed selector, temp or speed up. It heats up to 116 degrees in less than 19 seconds. Once turned off, it will go through a 30-second cooldown period before shutting down. Here's the oscillating feature. The fan speeds low, medium, and high. And the temperature control. If it's running and gets tipped over, it will beep and shut down and go through the 30-second cooldown period before shutting off as a safety feature. I think you'll find this compact heater to fit all of your needs.